Welcome to the Recon Trader. In today's video, I will share with you a profit or maybe a loss update on my BYBIT futures Martingale bot strategy that I deployed just over a month ago. So with that being said, let's get right into the weeds. But I guess before we get too far into the weeds, I should explain to some of you grunts out there what the Martingale strategy actually is. And what it is, it's kind of a bet system more commonly used in a casino where you would bet $1. If you lost that bet, you would then bet $2, hoping to recoup the one you lost and gain $1 in profit. And so in trading, it works kind of the same way. The strategy buys on the way down, kind of like doubling up on the way down.
Double down. What? Got an 11. You always double down on 11. I know, but it's $200. You double down.
Now, this strategy would actually work in either direction. This example is if you want to go long, you buy on the way down, sell on the way up. On the flip side, if you wanted to go short, it would buy when the price goes up and then sell for profit when the price started to go down. And actually, it's reversed. It would sell on the way up and buy on the way down. That's how a short strategy works. But anyway, I go into more detail on how this strategy works in this video here, where I go into how to actually set up the strategy in addition to how the strategy actually would work. And so I will drop a link to this setup video in the description down below. This video, however, is a profit or loss update, so let's get into some numbers. And so I'll jump over here to BYBIT. Now, if you don't have a BYBIT account, I will drop a link in the description down below for BYBIT as well. And if you use my link to join BYBIT, I believe you get a small discount on your trading fees. Now, with that out of the way, let's take a look at the numbers. And to do that, I needed to come over here to the Tools tab, click on Trading Bot. That will bring me over here to the Trading Bot dashboard. I can then click on My Bots or View My Bots. I only have one running, so if I give that a click, that will bring up the one bot I have running. You can see it's a BTC USDT futures Martingale bot. I used 5x leverage when I deployed the bot. The bot has been active for 38 days, so just over a month now. And so far, it's up almost 23% in just over a month. That's not too bad considering over the past month, the market's been selling off. And so with that in mind, let's take a look at some of the details of this actual bot and how it's actually achieving this profit. And so from the details page, you can see I invested 600 USDT when I deployed the bot. Again, I'm currently up about $137 in that 38 days, or around 23%. Now, some of that profit is what is considered realized. That means the positions have been closed. I've captured the profit. It's in my account. Some of the profit is unrealized. That would be due to having open positions that if the price were to reverse against me, this unrealized profit would actually go down. Or the unrealized profit could go up if the price continues to move in my direction. And so if we jump over here to my actual positions, you can see that the bot currently has a couple pending positions and 2 executed. The 2 executed are buy orders that are open positions currently. Then there is the pending. If the price of Bitcoin happens to drop down to 53,000 and change, the bot would make another buy. Or on the flip side, the bot has a take profit order up here around 74,000, which again is a pending order. And so right now, that is how my unrealized profit can go up and down depending on what direction the price of Bitcoin moves. Now, if I click on history, you can see I've had 2 successful rounds where the bot actually bought Bitcoin on the way down and then sold Bitcoin for profit on the way up. Now, if I jump back over to the status, a couple of the key parameters when I actually configured this bot, I had each buy order basically trigger when the price would decrease by 4.9%. I had a position multiplier of 2.0, and then the take profit or the profit target was set at 9%. So I wanted a 9% profit. I did set up a stop loss of 50%. And so again, you never want to trade futures contracts using leverage without a stop loss. That's like going into battle without armor. Eventually, you're going to get blown up. And then one of the last features I enabled was loop. As you saw, I've had 2 successful rounds. And as long as this bot can continue to buy low and sell high, I'm going to leave it in the fight. And so I think that's enough jaw-jacking for this video. I just wanted to share a profit or loss update on how this bot is actually performing. I will continue to do updates on the performance of this bot in the future, so now might be a good time to shoot that subscribe button so you don't miss out on those future videos. If you like this video, do me a favor, spike a like. If you have any questions or comments, sound off in the comment section down below. And until next time, remember, never send your money into battle without first doing your recon. See you in the next video.